Hi folks, the log cabin is built with insulated flooring, walls are protected from the elements, and the insulated roof is on, with shingles providing weather protection. You can watch these videos by clicking the playlist, demarked by the exclamation mark in the top right corner. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell symbol to be notified when I release new videos. It's now time to get the rain off the roof and into a water butt for rainwater harvesting, where it can be used for watering our no-dig garden, or mow the one-eyed cat who prefers drinking rainwater over tap water. What I'm doing here is fitting a gutter clip to each end of the roof, allowing a fall from one end of the roof down to the low point, close to where the water butt will be. I'll allow for a fall of about 3mm in every 1 metre length, and I'll try to ensure gutter brackets are as close to junctions and outlets as possible to ensure they're well supported. In this case, I'm offering up a stop end outlet to gauge the best position for the gutter bracket. The stop end outlet provides both an outlet to transfer water from the gutter to a downpipe, and the stop part of the name is what closes the gutter and prevents the rainwater from sloshing out the ends of the gutter. The other end will also have a stop end fitted, with gutter brackets attached at each end. A piece of string can be fastened to check the fall and provide a guide for fixing additional gutter brackets at half-metre intervals. Lengths of gutter are placed into the brackets, positioning the outlet ready for a fixing downpipe. The back of the gutter slides into a recess at the back edge of the bracket, and the front edge simply locks into place by pushing the tip of the bracket over the uppermost edge of the gutter. Straight connectors are used to connect multiple lengths of gutter. They simply push over the gutter, with clips providing pressure against a seal and holding the connector tightly in place. It's important to ensure a tight fit to prevent leaks, and it's good practice to deburr the ends with sandpaper or a file to help prevent leaks. There's a clear mark within the connector showing where the gutter should push up to. If you accidentally cut the gutter short, that's fine as long as it exceeds past the seal. I tend to use a circular saw for cutting lengths of gutter and downpipe, but a handsaw will do just fine. I'll install the last run of gutter, but will have to fit the stop end another time since I forgot to order them. This is a better view of the straight connector. I was blocking the camera on the previous clip. As I mentioned before, the gutter bracket should be close to any junctions to provide support. With the gutter fitted, it's time to prepare the water butt for harvesting rainwater. This water butt comes with its own stand, which just needs placing on a fairly level and firm surface. The tap will be positioned facing forward where it's convenient. The bottom of the downpipe has a fitting called a 𝐥𝐤, which diverts excess rainwater away from the summer house, where it might damage the wood over time. This fitting is glued to the bottom of the downpipe using solvent paste. The ends of both the pipe and the fitting are coated with the paste, are fixed and then left for 10 to 15 minutes to set. Downpipe brackets are screwed to the wall of the log cabin, ready to accept the downpipe. With the lower part of the downpipe held in brackets, a rainwater diverter is offered up to find its position relative to the water butt. The diverter pipe will fall ever so slightly towards the water butt, so allowing for the length protruding into the diverter fitting, mark and cut the downpipe accordingly. This fitting required 100mm of protrusion. It's worth noting that the water butt will need to be positioned within half a metre of the diverter fitting due to the length of flexible hose supplied. The elbow you see here will be replaced by a T once guttering has been fitted to the back of the cabin, allowing water to be harvested in the single water butt. Using a series of elbows and cut lengths of downpipe allows you to connect to the stop end outlet. I accomplished this with two 112.5 degree offset bends. With all the pieces cut to length, they can now be solvent welded together to create a permanent watertight connection. Once the joints are complete, the clips on the downpipe can be secured by sliding the arm into its recess on the base as shown. Gutter and downpipe is fitted, just the water butt to go now. A 26mm hole is drilled into the water butt to accept the connector supplied with the rainwater diverter kit. This water butt has pre-marked positions around the top, just waiting to be drilled out. The jagged edges need to be deburred using a file of sandpaper to ensure a watertight seal. The connector can then be fitted from the inside with a seal, and then another seal is placed over the thread on the outside and held in place with a locking nut. Give it a quick nip with the wrench. Cut the hose to length using a Stanley knife. Apply solvent weld adhesive. And slide the flexible hose on. And that's the job. Well done.